For the birthday, I'll be a transformer. Hi guys, I hope you guys are well. Today is moving day, and of course I'm a little bit saddened, but such is life. You know, you're leaving your family behind to take up a journey by yourself. You know, this whole adjustment to living on your own is gonna be a huge one for me because I've never lived on my own. And I'm looking forward to see how it goes. But yeah, this is my room that I was staying in, completely empty now. I've taken out all the stuff that I'm gonna need to, yeah. I came here today to look at the empty house, to evaluate the cleaning that was done. And boy, it makes me feel so emotional, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Whew, hi guys, I'm back. This is gonna be the 1 week update. The 1 week update of of me living on my own officially. No, I've not gotten back into my vlogging bag. I should probably put the flip screen here because I'm gonna be looking at the flip screen versus the camera eye itself, right? But anyways, the update is this is 1 week living on my own. Our post moving out, and it has been an absolute journey. When I got to the light, it has been a very, very interesting journey. But to God be praised, everything will go out how it's supposed to go. Now my room is not yet finished, and it's not where I want it to be, but this is where I have it so far. Last night I finished unpacking the final box, and everything is still not exactly where I need it to be, but I can show you still. So here is my little nightstand. Of course my shoes is there because I don't like to keep the shoes on the carpet. My little box of things that I saw me use for, like, you know, my personal things, my little bed. I mean, I'm not need nothing big, because I'm just a big boy, you understand me? Yeah, and this is my little, like, storage area, my desk area, which is not yet fixed up. Again, guys, not put up nothing at all yet. My laundry basket, and see me in the mirror right just now. Yeah, this is me. I'm a closet not finished set up yet. I've tried to organize my closet as best as I could. These are just hangers here. I put the lighting in, and of course the dresser area thing, like, you know that go already. But yeah, so I'm supposed to be going to the girls tonight. But I'm gonna leave it shortly. I'm just finishing up the washing. But this is just an update, guys. Just checking with you. It's so odd holding a camera. I've always wanted to hold a camera, but now I'm holding a camera, which is so crazy. I'm holding my camera, bruh. Ah, God. But anyways, I have a sit down video to do. Hopefully by the time you're seeing this vlog, the sit down would have been probably uploaded. Probably. It's just B-roll footage, to be honest with you. But yeah, this is just me living on my own. A quick update, quick see. But guys, stay tuned. And just thank you for all the love and the support throughout the years. Even if I've been inconsistent, because I would have explained in the video, the video that's up now. You guys reached out, every message, every person who reached out to me, you have just been a godsend, and I want to say thank you so much. Thank you for the love and the continued support, guys. But yeah, see you guys when I see you next. Mwah. For the birthday, I'll be a transformer. So right now I'm going to go and get my hair metamorphosized. That's the correct term to use. Yeah, so you can see the little process of me getting this hair transformed. Let's see how that goes. My name is Sam. Talk to myself for hours. Ready? Guys, so is my ear here? No, I'm trying to my local side of it, so they can probably like see it. Like see it, yeah? But try for like get it dyed. No, not dyed. Forget it bleached. But I'm not telling no lie. The bleach art. You're supposed to see this clip them still. The bleach. Let me go about the bleach again because the bleach take me out. The bleach take me right out. But this is it. And a new look for the time being. I mean, it's a new me. It just irritated my scalp, and if you know me very well, I'm gonna make an updated video. I would have made an updated video, so linked on the screen. I have dermatitis. So hence cut my hair, but trying to bleach thing for the very first time, it's scary, but you know, never do what I have to do. I think this birthday is me metamorphosizing into a different version, a more confident and, you know, stronger version of myself, or the strongest version of myself. So, you know, I'm not really business, I love it, but I like it. Me like it. I mean, you know what I mean. But yeah, don't watch room back at me, but yeah, you get me. But yeah, guys, see you in the next clip. Just the truth. Just like, come on, tell me, but I'm not really feel 100 because the bleach kind of lift me down and top me up and box me and keep me down. Yeah, this time of day. Hi guys, I just do a kickstart this vlog. Welcome back to the vlog. Guys, I'm at the repair shop. Well, I'm at the, what do you call it now? I'm at the tire shop. Just getting, you know, my vehicle looked at. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what's going on soon enough. But I think I have quite a bit to do today, and it's gonna be a simple day, but you know, very hectic one because I have to film today. I have to film a video that's gonna be up Saturday of this week, and I'm super excited to even film, but it's just like, I'm so drained. But yeah, let's see how it goes, guys. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. You know, if I hold up my phone, I'm gonna start like on my phone, but not judge me. Not judge me. You understand me? Yeah. Guys, I'm at the nail salon. You know, my face is a mess, which is looking from the they call a place there now, the servicing place for service people in vehicle, and it gave me a whole it was a long story, cut it short. It was a mess, but me there, so after 4 hours, I'm gonna eat, I'm hungry. I'm gonna film a video for now. Okay, but give me a second, I'm soon come back. Guys, welcome back to the vlog. Different day, same person. Alright, today guys, this evening now, and I'm just picking up from where I left off. I don't know I left off, but I know I left off. But it's a day off, so I'm gonna literally be cleaning. And my room is a mess. A mess where me can manage. Like, you know, I'm gonna literally start clean and just try to like organize myself, like my local laundry and stuff, and try to figure out what I'm gonna do for the rest of the evening. I'm just gonna cook. I'm gonna vlog the whole of the cooking, but you may vlog the cooking. Probably vlog the cooking, I don't know yet. But anyways, so today I had quite a few stuff to do. I had to like literally get the vehicle looked at, and then I had like a nail appointment. I had to change my nail. I'm trying to show you the set that I have on now. I'm trying to show you all on. I got like gel done, so you can't really see them, but a gel, you know. Things that body must you know them gel here right now. I'm not telling a lie. I'm not focused then hush. But I'm literally gonna clean my room. Yeah, change my sheets like last week. So I'm gonna think maybe change my sheet right now because my room's still fresh and clean. I'm gonna just clean my space, organize myself again, and then just start the cooking and stuff. So guys, if you like this video, feel free to subscribe, like, share, post, everything. You know, go already. Just stay tuned. So let's get into the vlog. Okay. Okay. You think you can tell me? You think you can tell me? You think you can tell me? Money from my brain, money from my brain. You think you can tell me? 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 Alright guys, so I have a couple other things to do. Like I have to dust down my dresser, dust down my table, like clean my chair, vacuum my room. Cause if you know me very well, I'm obsessed with like the fresh smell of any space that I'm in. But I'm gonna tell you, I'm going to catch me right there, so find something here. I'm obsessed with the fresh scent, but I'm gonna tell you like guys, of my space. I love when it smells fresh and clean and nice. I love it, I'm obsessed with it. So I'm always using my air fresheners plugged in my room, and you know, must just always smell fresh and clean and just nice. So I bought this little duster thing. Let me show you. This little duster thing from the Walmart to use to like help with my dresser. Even though for even though for uses, how this go? It's blendable 3 duster 3 feet. Okay. I guess these are new paddings for them. I'm gonna use this one, and then I'm gonna like, I can probably use it for like twice. I'm gonna use it like a 2 time. Then I'm gonna dash with that. Then put this in this guys because I keep she for now. Actually right this I'm gonna have much space, but yeah, I think this is able to be extended. Hold on. Yeah. You can clean the light up here, so and something. And all this gonna this can come so interesting. This can use the only one, but yeah. Anyways, guys, now come. I'm gonna season the carpet and then I'm gonna come right back to you, okay? This is my work bag. If you guys can see me if I'm in focus. This is my work bag. I need to organize my work bag a little bit because Jesus. Of course, for the carpet, I always use Arm & Hammer. It is my go-to. It's this. This in a this. If you know about this, you know. You think you can carry me. You think you can carry me. I think it kind of blow up my bed, but you can manage that. You can manage. So if you know, with the Arm & Hammer, it has to sit for like 15 minutes before you like can vacuum. So in the 15 minutes, I will go on like wipe on the dresser right so and like clean with like my Lysol. I have like a local furniture spray I use, but I will dust first and come back. You think you can carry me? I'm about to put my laundry in the washer and literally let's get the laundry started because I have work tomorrow. So you know how that goes. But yeah, let's get to that. You think you can carry me? You think you can carry me? You think you can carry me? I think this is recording. I think so. Alright guys, so birthday celebration before I leave, courtesy of Jessica and Jacob. Yeah. So yeah. Anyways, here we go. It's recording. So Jessica, it's all you and your phone. Yeah.
The letter.
Okay. Sanji, hola. It's my sister. Sanji, say hi.
Oh hi.
Nova. Let me shake it. Hold on. Let me look at it.
Yeah, please.
Oh my God, this is crazy, Jacob. How you supposed to see it? Yeah, see it?
I'm gonna push her closer.
Ready?
Alright.
Ready?
Doing this like
Yeah.
recording.
On three, ready?
Okay, or not.
Oh, and happy birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. Alright.
Yay! Happy golden year.
Now,
Thank you.
Wish.
Golden year. Okay.
Golden year wish. Come up with it and go ahead. Yes. Alright.
Yay. Oh my gosh.
All right.
Thank you. Let's get the button again. Let me zoom down.
Oh, she don't know how to turn it off.
Yes, thank you.
I don't know how to turn.
Gotta get it when you get it. I didn't say slay my life. I said take one last slay. Okay, yeah. And I'll have it on 15 minutes. Alright, ready to go. Yes. Ooh, the silhouette.
Ooh.
Okay. It's too good.
Yes.
Alright. The simplicity and yes. Okay, do something with your hand above your head, kind of like progo. Yes.
Ooh.
There, yes. Was not playing any games at all. Okay, and then we can get you. Okay. Alright, and now let's put you down on this side. I'm gonna go grab yours. You can shut the door. Okay.
So I'm gonna up here.
Ooh, I'm sweating now. Oh yes, that background's gonna do it. I want you to turn my brightness up. I do. That was so like Mother Nature-esque. Like, it's just like,
Yeah.
I would rather not pick it up. But yes, it's serving.
Ooh.
Like the leg out and then the hat down.
Yes.
Yes. Do more down on the tip of your hat. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Oh, so good. Okay, walk towards me to this next little cut in.
This one here?
Yeah, walk towards me and then I'll tell you when to stop. I want to get that water behind me. Walk, walk, walk. A few more steps. And then right there. Perfect. I want to find somewhere where we can get you to like sit for a second. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then look this way with the straight model face. Oh, so good. Sorry, every time I tell you straight face, it makes you laugh. Okay, I got it though. So good.
Literally.
It's so good. Hold that, hold that, hold that. Every time I'm like raving about you, I look over and I'm like, please. It's just all the green and the tan. Oh my.
Literally,
It's
the
too
colors
much.
work so well right now.
Like I can't explain it. It stands out, but you're blending in.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll
Gotcha.
snap a few here and then walk back up to the field. And then we need to get the wheat grass too.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, yes. The first look already.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot my career. Okay.
It took me a while to get in like the groove of it all.
Mm.
Yes, there you go. More than welcome to test it out.
Ooh.
Yes. The smile, the look back, everything. It's the way the gate continues to like rattle even when you're not moving. Okay, I got those.
Okay.
I wish you could see it like through the camera as I'm taking it. Ooh, detail. These are gonna be so good. And kind of right here, and then I'm gonna get you right here. You came right here. Oh, it's giving already.
Ooh.
Yes, hold that one. Perfect.
Oh, I didn't even see these.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, it's such a moment. This is about to be such a good ending.
Literally,
to this session.
yeah.
Oh my goodness. And the flowers, like I have not a care in the world.
Yes.
If someone ever like tries to like start beef, send them one of these and be like, "This is how unbothered I am." Right now.
Literally. You did not care.
Ooh, the smile. Yes. Yes, it's giving joy.
Guys, I forgot to take my camera with me. I just got done with the shoot. I just got home, and this is my final outfit I'm in. You guys are gonna see this like on my Instagram. My room is on MESS. Let me show you this. You know, this is how it really goes. Yeah, it's my birthday, a little shoot thing. Alright guys, I'm gonna miss a check in and I touch base. Today really drained me. I'm not gonna tell you a lie, today drained me so bad. But I'm gonna change, clean up my room, organize my stuff, and eat, and then probably like go and take a nap because I'm really exhausted, really exhausted. But anyways guys, see you in the next clip.